In Java, code point at is very similar to char at and the ORD function in Python. Like char at, the argument you pass into code point at is any valid index of the string you are working with. So like in this string hi, calling s.codePoint at 0 would be dealing with the h in hi. Like ORD in Python, code point at returns a specified character's Unicode code point. What a character's code point is simply a number that corresponds to the character. If you've been programming for any length of time, you're probably thinking, that sounds very similar to ASCII. What's the difference? To start off, characters represented with ASCII have the exact same value with Unicode code points. Capital E, for example, corresponds to 69, no matter what system you use. The difference is that Unicode simply supports more characters than the 128 regular characters of ASCII or the 256 characters in extended ASCII. To get back to the matter of what this code would evaluate to, lowercase h corresponds to 104, so this code would evaluate to 104. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.